Mr. Banana Goes Ice Skating. It's winter. The fruits have decided to go ice skating together. So out of the fruit bowl they jump one by one. Splat!
"Oh, not again, Mr. Banana,"
says Miss Apple, helping him to his feet. Mr. Banana is very clumsy. The fruit friends are ready to go through the cat flap.
"I was a good ice skater back in the day,"
says Mrs. Plum, putting on her skates. But I'm too clumsy. I'll just watch, says Mr. Banana, sadly. Nope, if I can do it, you can, says Mr. Orange, encouraging him. Wow! Mr. Banana turns out to be a natural. He twirls and spins around happily. This is great! Thanks, Mr. Orange!
What did the fruit friends decide to do together? Ice skate. Who said, "If I can do it, you can," in the story? Mrs. Plum. Uh-oh. Mr. Banana. Uh-oh. Miss Apple. Uh-oh. Mr. Orange. Who was known for being clumsy in the story? Mrs. Plum. Uh-oh. Mr. Orange. Uh-oh. Mr. Banana. Who put on skates before going ice skating? Mrs. Plum.